everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here then hi, my name is Sophie and welcome to my space on the internet. In today's video we are doing this eyeshadow look on my eyes right now using the Be Perfect Carnival palette by Stacey Marie, which I love and I'm obsessed with, use it a ton. Yeah, using this palette to create this look, and if you want to know how I got it then keep watching. Okie dokie, I look super rough. Don't mind the pineapple hair and the penguin dressing gown. It's my day off. I am slouching to the extreme and I'm gonna do an orange smoky look. Yeah, so I'm gonna take the Carnival palette by Stacey Marie and Be Perfect. I'm gonna go into the shade Shuffle, which is this orange shade up here. I'm just gonna shove that in the crease. I'm just gonna wing it out like I always do because I clean it up later. Okie dokie, now that I've laid that colour down, are you in focus? I started having such issues with this camera. Focus on me. Okie dokies, next I'm gonna go into the shade Keen, which is the bright yellow there, and I'm gonna pop that on the outer corner, on the outer edges of the orange we just laid down, and just fluff it out as we go. Focus. Next you're taking a clean brush and just buffing in between the two colours. Blend them together a bit better. Okie dokie, now that I've sort of blended that out quite a lot, I think I've done it a lot more than I did the other side. We shall see. Maybe not. We'll see in a bit. I'm next going to take the Pete Louise base again and then roughly shove that on the centre. No real pattern to it, it literally is just a rough cut crease. Now that I've roughly packed the Pete Louise base on, I'm going to go into the shade Lip, which is this bright orange shade here, and I'm going to pack that on top of it. This really does not have to be neat because we're going to like blend it in with the rest of the shadows in a bit, so it doesn't matter if it's neat. And to get right in the corners I take a little brush because I'm going to get right in there. Now that I've covered all the areas where the Pete Louise base on, going with the same brush in the shade Lit and just sort of roughly going over the edges, blending it into the other colours just so it's not a solid line. Going into the first orange shade, which is Shuffle, and then bringing that over the edges as well. Back in with the bright orange brush. Next I'm going to clean up the outside with the makeup wipe and just make that a nice sharp line. Okie dokie, so I'm now going to pop off camera and do the rest of my face and I'll be back to do the lower lash line. Okie dokie, I am back to finish off this orange glam situation that we've got going on. So going back into the Carnival palette, I just hit my lip with the palette. I am the clumsiest person on earth. We're going into the shade Keen, which is the yellow shade. I'm just literally going to bring that from that inner corner and buff it out and round and all along the bottom lash line like good. Yeah, taking this brush. I think I used to blend something out at some point, but yeah. I look like an egg. Just taking a little smaller brush, still in the yellow, and getting right up in there. I actually can't function as a human, like, at all. Me functioning adult, not a thing. Okie dokie, now that I've sort of blended that out on the lower lash line and going into the bright shade, which was Lit, which is the one right next to it, and taking that from the out into about the middle of the eye. Again, doesn't have to be neat, it's going for the blown outy, bendy look. Okie dokies, now that I have done the lower lash line. I'm now going to go into a different palette. I'm going into my Beauty Bay Everything You Need palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Lemon, which is this really nice lemon shimmery shade. I'm going to pop that in the inner corner to be the highlight, just on this little bullet brush, just to be the highlight here. Okie dokies, and that is the eyeshadow. I'm going to pop off camera, get rid of me pineapple bun, and I'll be back with the finished look. I am back, and I've just popped on some mascara and, you know, got rid of the pineapple hair, and this is the finished eyeshadow look. I really love it. It's an orange smoky eye, really effective but really easy to recreate. I am aware this video is going up after Halloween, but you know, think ahead for next year. If you want to do Halloween but make it glam, then pumpkin eyeshadow for you right here. Thinking ahead, you know, get your ideas for next year sorted. But yeah, really apologise. I didn't do any Halloween makeup looks. Life is just, yeah, getting away with me right now. So apologies there were no Halloween videos. I really hope you enjoyed me using this beautiful palette again. I literally just sat down, looked at this palette and was like, orange, that's what I need to do. I've not done a colour with that bright orange, so here we have it. I'm obsessed. I hope you are too. I'll leave any other videos that I can think of that I've used this palette, so you can check them out as well. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. I'd love to have you back here. My name's Sophie, and have a lovely day. Hi, from Sophie in the future, who really needs to take her makeup off but doesn't want to because it's cute but also needs a shower. First world problems. I don't want to take it off because it looks cute.